Hey, wait for it.
So we are on our way to Technique Pro, which is the body shop who's going to do the work on the Maxima, and I'm super pumped. Honestly, this car drives so well, and even though it's like a 23-year-old car, it drives. Even though there's like a small exhaust leak right now, so maybe you can hear it. But apart from that, the car drives like a brand new car, which is unbelievable. Honestly, the Jetta was no good. Well, it was a great car when I got it, but it was not as good as this one in terms of driving quality. And honestly, it's a very solid car. My only worry, though, is since this car is an automatic transmission, I'm a bit worried about how this transmission will handle the boost, but we'll see. Anyway, let's go. I'm like 10 minutes away. Super excited. And here we are, Technique Pro. Let's park here and we're going to show him the car. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a long time since the last video, I know, but with all that happening right now in the world with the coronavirus and stuff like that, I'm living at a slower pace right now, but still we are going to make the Maxima project. It's going to happen. Matter of fact, I just picked up the body kit for the car, a real Stillen body kit. It's not a brand new one. It's been installed once or maybe twice, but today we're going to bring this to the body shop, install it on the car, just do some test fitting, but at least we're going to have the first view at what this Maxima project will look like. And also you're going to meet my friend Martin, who's in charge of all the body work on the car. So it's going to be super fun. So we're going to take measurements. We're going to install the body kit just to see how it fits. And then we're maybe going to cut the first hole for the side exhaust, because there's a lot of people asking about that side exhaust. So follow me, let's go on a ride.
Même pas obligé de forcer. Je suis capable de le payer en arrière. C'est juste du raw metal ou du pâté. Ouais, c'est ça. Hey, wait for it.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
Quand ça tombe dans le... Oh man, l'épaisseur de ça. Oh oui. La gangrène, mon gars. Ouf. Il est beau. Comme neuf.
Tant que l'aile d'en arrière fait pas ça.
Ah, c'est ça, je pleure ma vie, mais non, elle devrait pas être plus grave. Là, c'est wow. Oh my god, ça c'est déjà. Ça, c'est un peu plus de métal.
Ah, on est correct.
Ouais. Ça, c'est comme dans les vidéos, là, tu sais, que le gars il t'arrache les morceaux complets du sol.
Ah, ça pour Facebook, c'est bon ça.
m'a dit, on va m'arriver parce que je vais mettre de la marde partout sur le plancher.
C'est sûr qu'il est pire.
Oh my god. Surtout ici, dans la bas, là. Oh my god.
Pas d'en bas.
Ça, c'est du potin. Il y a encore du solide un peu.
Oh. Ah, moins pire.
Ouais, un peu. C'est par endroit, là. Ah, les blettes arrivaient. Oh my god.
Craque là, là. Ça, c'est une belle. Oh shit.
Cancer. Jusqu'à où est-ce qu'on s'en va, moi?
Oh.
Ouais, ça va pas jusqu'à là. Ça, c'est... ouais.
Des rivets before it was cool.
Ouais. Rivet and pitch. Du rivet et du pitch.
So right now, as you can see, we're going to replace anyway the front fenders, but we just wanted to see how bad they were underneath all that Bondo and stuff. So as you can see, the Maxima had some secrets behind all that Bondo in the front fenders and everything. My biggest worry though with that car was the rear quarters, and from what we saw, there's no rust whatsoever. So the overall body of the car is in great shape, and all the parts that are rusted out are replaceable. So as you can see, I already have my front fenders. I also have my rad support, but this is the next step. We are going a bit later this week. We are going to remove all the front end of the car, get rid of those nasty front fenders, and we're going to replace the rad support. So that's the first step. The biggest problem we have, this video was supposed to be much longer, but since of the whole pandemic happening right now, we have some issues with metal suppliers and other part suppliers for this project. So we're going to start with the engine bay. We're going to probably strip all the paint on the car and do what we have to do. Of course, the schedule of the car has been a little bit extended. Well, at first we were supposed to unveil the car in May. It's going to be impossible, that's for sure. But that means I have much more time to work on the car since we are not working right now. My shop is closed. Almost every business here in Montreal are closed. As for right now, me and Martin are working on the Maxima. The next step, like I said, is the rad support. We are going to replace it. We already have all these parts to work on the car to get the job done, so that's a good thing. The body kit is a perfect match. As you can see, it fits perfectly. So next step, like I said, it's going to be strip off the paint, remove the interior, send that to Insides. They are going to rework all the leather inside the car. It's going to be black and blue instead of all black. Super exciting project. I'm super stoked about it, guys. If you like that video, if you love the project, please just leave a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already. And of course, there's going to be a lot of behind the scenes on my Instagram. So until then, guys, I talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.